Hey everyone, it's K1 with Askari Art. So I've got the latest brand new colors from Tim Holtz. I actually have 15 new colors. These were released in February, mid-February. I actually pre-ordered them in January and they finally arrived. I've got the blues here. The three colors that we're referring to as blues are Laguna, Glacier, and Monsoon. So let's unbox and let's give this a shot. My video actually stopped before I can finish all the swatches, but it's okay. I'm going to share this with you and I'll cut it in. So you're not going to see me making the swatches and my commentary on some of the colors that are actually emitting, but I'm going to show you the final swatches here, and then I will take pictures of these, white balance them, and put them on my website. So the three colors that I mentioned were Glacier. These are the brand new Tim Holtz colors, Laguna, and Monsoon. So the first color that I actually did earlier, the first color was Monsoon, and so here's the color for Monsoon. And you can see it does not have any purple in it. It's actually very gray and pitch black. I can see pitch black in it, the color Pitch Black by Ranger. And you can see the blues that emit. It reminds me of the agate blue by Copic, the blue that I was looking for before this blue was released in February. So this is beautiful. This is called Monsoon by Ranger. Here's the color, and it comes in a set with the other three that I mentioned earlier. So that's the first one. The second one that I did was called Glacier, and here's Glacier. It's not dry yet. Here's the Glacier, and here's the color. It reminds me of the Wild Plum color from Ranger. That's a very high intense pink. This is a blue version of that high intense pink. It's just a beautiful color. You can see here it's very vibrant. It's not dry yet, so it's still drying. You can see the ink moving. The third color is Laguna, and Laguna is a very these are beach colors in my opinion. Caribbean blue and Caribbean green, and then the Monsoon, which is a cloudy blue earlier. So here's the Laguna. Hopefully I can capture this vibrant greenish blue. I can see these two colors going together really well for waves, just drawing waves and beaches and stuff like that. So beautiful, maybe with a hint of rosewood or teak or any of the yellows that Ranger offers. But so these are the three colors, and here's the Laguna. All right, everyone. So that was the first three swatches for the brand new Tim Holtz colors that were released in February, and I've got 4 more sets here. So let me know which one, either the reds, the purples, greens, or pinks. Let me know which one you want me to do next. I'm going to do all of them, but if you're excited or curious about which one you should buy next, and you're limited and you want to try that and you want to see what it produces, let me know and I'll do that video next. All right? Thank you, everyone. Whichever one gets the most votes, I'll do next. So thank you, everyone. Stay tuned. Askari Art.